Today we are going to discuss application of the diodes. The first and most important application of diode. The one most important application is rectifier. Okay, so what is rectifier? Rectifier is an electric circuit. It is an electrical circuit that is used to convert AC supply into DC supply, DC power supply. So these are two types. These are of two types. First is half wave rectifier and second is full wave rectifier. So the next, first of all we will study half wave rectifier. So now here's its diagram. It is AC power supply. Here is transformer and we put here one diode here and one load here. This point is X, this point is Y, this is A, this is B. This is primary transformer, primary coil, and this is secondary coil, and all these things is called transformer. Okay, so what the half wave rectifier is do? When we apply AC power supply is here. Then suppose there is two cycle, positive cycle and negative half cycle. Then in the positive half cycle, first positive half cycle from 0 to this half cycle is, and this is T by 2. So from positive half cycle from 0 to T by 2, this one is here will be positive, here will be negative, and here will be positive and here will be negative. This is the transformer that is used to adjust the voltage according to us. Okay, now here will be positive and the diode will be on. Diode will be in the forward bias because this at this point positive voltage. The diode will be in forward bias. So diode D FB in forward bias and on, and allowed to pass the voltage from A to X, and current will flow from this direction. Okay, now we will get positive cycle here. Okay, from 0 to T by 2. Now VXY will be VAB. Okay, now in the negative half cycle T by 2 to, this is our time period. So diode will be, here will be negative, voltage is negative and B is voltage is positive. So diode will be off. So diode in this condition off because it is in reverse bias. So VXY will be 0 volt. So similarly we do not get voltage here. This is our voltage 0 by 2 and T. So finally what we get, if we have this one input voltage waveform, this is Vm and this is minus Vm. This is our input waveform. So what we will get? We will get here this one 0 to t by 2 t, another 3t by 2. So this, in this portion, in the negative portion, voltage will be 0, and here Vm. So this is the half cycle half wave rectifier, because we only get half cycles. This is our full wave. This is our half wave rectifier. Now we will now another one is full wave rectifier. Full wave rectifier. What happen in full wave rectifier? It is very easy. In full wave rectifier we used two diodes. Two diodes. So this is the circuit of full wave rectifier. Here is the circuit of full wave rectifier. This is our primary coil and this is our secondary coil, and this is our AC supply, and here we connect diode D1 say, and this is D2. Okay, now we connect it like that, and this is center tap transformer which we used here, and this is X and this is Y, and this is our load resistance. So what happened? This is A and this is B. We use here center tap rectifier. So in positive cycle, what happened here? In positive half cycle, here will be positive, A and B will be positive, VAB positive. So VAB positive, so D1 is on and D2 is off. So current flow path, the current flow path will be A, X, Y, and that we call C. A, X, Y and C. Okay, so current will flow from this direction. Now in negative half cycle, VAB negative, so D1 off and D2 on. So current will flow from here to here and this direction. Current flow direction will be like B, D2, X, Y and C. So current again flow from X to Y. So this is not changed. So we get output power supply. This is if we draw input power supply. This is our voltage minus Vm. This is input AC. So now we get output power like this one. So this is our output supply. So this is called full wave rectifier. Okay, so now we have studied full wave rectifier here. Now there are some special purpose rectifier. That is called in which first is Zener rectifier, Zener diode, special purpose diodes, Zener diode. The invention is done by, first of all, invention. Who invented this? Invention is done by C. Zener. That's why we call it Zener diode. This diode operates in reverse bias. This is heavily doped with P plus N minus ions or P minus N plus ions. Depletion width is very less than 10 to the power minus 6. Means the depletion layer is very less than, and the electric field here is approximately 5 into 10 to the power 6 volt per meter. So when we applied, when and the here is the symbol of the Zener diode is like this one. This is the Zener diode, and this is operate in reverse bias. So when we apply, when applied voltage reach at breakdown voltage, current increase rapidly. So, and after that, if we increase the current, if we increase the voltage, current do not increase. After that, if we want to increase the applied voltage do not increase, or output voltage do not increase. So the graph will be like that. This is our breakdown voltage. So the voltage remain, output voltage remain constant. Okay. Why we are studying the Zener diode? The Zener diode is studied because it is used for voltage regulation. Because at the time of the breakdown, voltage remain constant. At the time of breakdown, output voltage remain constant. So this diode is used for voltage regulation, and to remove the fluctuation of the voltage. So the circuit for the voltage regulator is RS. This RS supply is RS resistance is used to protect the Zener diode from the higher potential, higher current, and here is load resistance RL. This is RS. This is Zener diode, and this is X and Y. And so when we used in the voltage regulation, the output voltage is breakdown voltage. So this is our Zener diode. Second one is photodiode. Photodiode is nothing but a diode which on when the light emits, when light incident on it. Means this is used as a light switch. Whenever the light incident on the diode, it allowed current to pass through it. So this is its structure is like that. This one P and N. Here lights comes, and this is microampere. So whenever light happens, it allowed current to flow, and it is used as a light. It is used as a switch, as a light switch. So this is our photodiode. Now next is our LED, light emitting diode. The full form is light emitting diode. Light emitting diode, it is the diode which emits light whenever it is used in forward bias. This is the symbol is like that. Whenever we used it in a forward bias, it emits the light. So that's why it used in it is called light emitting diode. In daily life, it is used in many applications like phone, on the Diwali and many festivals. So this is our light emitting diode.